I got you a gift.
What is that? I don't want to touch that, but I kind of do. Is this your top or your bottom?
You know, if you're missing me, you can like pet yourself on my teeth.
Oh no, I definitely don't want to smell that.
It's Sunday morning, July 24th. We got Tropical Storm Darby headed to Oahu. No rain, no wind yet. Went for a walk. Tanya is clearing the brush for the bird, and the bird is waiting for her to stop so he can find his cockroaches. Go, buddy, get it. Bye, birdie. Bye. Life is so lonely.
Ryan!
Life is so lonely. How's Tropical Storm Darby?
Wave.
Dude, look at the set. Look at the set, Tanya. Tanya's afraid she's gonna get washed off the rocks here.
All sucking out like a tsunami is coming.
Dirt, water. We're waiting for Darby to come, but there's no Darby. It's not even raining or anything. The water's really dirty. Sun's out. Let's go fly the drone. Drone for sunset time?
Yes.
Here we go, headed to watch the sunset. Floor it so we don't miss the sunset.